Rwot, who has just passed away, may his soul rest in peace, on the 18th of August 2018. That is Rwot, Ojok Michael Aginye, the second, who passed away from Lacho due to pneumonia, was involved on a land issue. Now I've categorized this. This is my handwriting, so I request you that allow me to read it for you, so that you get to find out the information from the categories that I have read. The first category is land lease application and rejection. Noa District Land Board turned down an application by Rwot Michael Ojok Aginye II for a lease on 6,000 acres of communal land. The district land board declined the lease application to prevent Bobo clan from losing its rights over the land. The second category that I've organized is, I'm calling it petitions and evidence. The Justice Catherine Bemugemerehira, this name is long, but let me repeat reading. Bamugemerere Commission received petitions from Noa District Land Board, K Bobo Land Development Trust, and Bobo Clan. Evidence before the commission shows the lease application was declined for the clan's protection. The third category that I put is Amur District Land Board's role. Amur District Land Board offered K Bobo Land Development Trust a 49-year lease on Block 2, Plot 29 in Noya for commercial and plantation farming before Noa District Land Board was constituted. The file was referred to Noa District Land Board after it was established. The fourth category I'm putting is continuous areas and government assurance. The most continuous areas include Paibo, Nyamukino, and God Okwara villages. Government assured people in IDP camps that LRA fighters were defeated, encouraging them to return to their ancestral lands. The fifth one is Land Act and Communal Ownership. Bienkia questioned Aginye on why he chose a trust over a commercial land association, as outlined in Section 15 of the Land Act. Aginye declined, that is what Aginye, he declined to comment, indicating the need for further consultation. The sixth, which is the last category, is historical context. Sinister schemes on the land began in 2006 after the government's assurance of safety from LRA fighters. People occupied empty land and benefited from lucrative trade following the government's encouragement to return to ancestral lands. Now, the last one is my summary, or my final take, the last summary on this issue that involves Rwot Aginye, who has already passed away. May his soul rest in peace. The summary goes like this. The first one, application rejection. The Noa District Land Board rejected Rwot Michael Ojok Aginye's the second's application for a lease on communal land to protect Bobo clan's rights. The second one is petitions and evidence. Various petitions and evidence were presented to the commission, showing the board's decision was aimed at protecting the clan's interests. So, according to this, the board, his interest was conflicting with the clan's interest. Then, another summary, Amur District role. Amur District Land Board initially offered the lease before referring the file to newly constituted Noa District Land Board. Then another one, continuous land areas or areas. Key areas of contention include Paibo, Nyamukino, and Gorokwaro, influenced by government assurance post-war conflict, which I said started in 2006. Then again, another one is legal framework, which is the second last. The Commission questioned Aginye's choice of a trust over a communal land association as specified in the Land Act. Lastly, historical background. The context includes government's action in 2006 encouraging return to ancestral lands and subsequent occupation of lands. Those are what you must know about the land saga that involved Rwot, Ojok Michael, Aginye II, who has passed away. Thank you so much. And as I always say, when you're subscribed, you'll be the first to get it.